Anybody ever have a Kaiser bun and want to know how they're made? Watch this. Around.
I'll do it a little slower.
You pull it through 3 times. The last one is just the center. We got 3 more to go.
How many of these have we been made over the years?
Thousands.
Tens of thousands.
Around, through. One more.
So you do round like that, like a letter B, and you pull the slack through about 1/3 of the way over from here, from where you started, and then you pull the slack through again about 1/3 the way over again, so 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3, and then the final one tucks up underneath like that. There you go.
Now once they're risen and in the oven, we'll have a snack. The Kaiser buns have been proofing for about how long, Jim?
About an hour. Ready?
Woo! Nice. So in the oven they go on 395. I'm going to start them off probably about 25 minutes, but oh, you're putting everything in. Okay. Three loaves of bread are going in as well. This batch makes either 4 loaves of bread usually, but you can take one of the loaves and make either sub buns or dinner rolls. This time we made Kaiser buns. Okay. I'm going to set the timer. For 24 minutes. So we set it for 24, but the Kaiser buns are going to come out, and it's 17 minutes. It's going to be good. Oh yeah, perfect.
So we gotta go 6, 4, 5 more minutes to 11.
And there you have it. Homemade Kaiser buns, perfect for sandwiches.
Hamburgers.
Hamburgers, yep. Or just with some butter on it. So with a few extra minutes, the bread is ready to come out. Nice. Here we go. We go through a loaf of bread every 2 days. Normally we cut it in half and then put it in the freezer and get out a half a loaf at a time since there's only 2 of us. So we're good for a couple of days.
Oh my god, they're gonna be good.
Are they soft?
Oh my goodness.
Proud of yourself?
Yes. Been a while since I had them. So yeah.
Good.
It's gonna be good for a sandwich.